Hi, Hugh here from Day Trade Spy. So this morning I had a one-on-one chat with one of our clients. We do one-on-ones, group sessions, trading rooms, all kinds of stuff. So the first thing we did the fundamental analysis to determine the market direction at this point in time. The direction was to the upside. And we're going to get it on some technical indicators. So we bought in here at about 11:15, picked it up for $4.75. The market went up and down. In fact, it was down about 25, 30 cents. He was looking to bail out of it. I said, not so fast. I think from a fundamental standpoint, the market's going to reverse, go back up, which is exactly what it did. In fact, I punched up the yellow brick road. That's that broken yellow line. Now, bear in mind, when I did that, there were no price points. There was no price candles at all. It was all blank. And true to form, the market followed the yellow brick road, only to take us out a few minutes later, I think about 15, 60 minutes later, for $5.04. He's happy, I'm happy, we're all happy. Folks, I actually have a webinar. In fact, it's a workshop coming up at 11 o'clock a.m. Eastern Time, Tuesday, March the 8th, all about fundamental analysis on SPY options. You're not going to want to miss this. It's going to be 11 o'clock Eastern Time, Tuesday, March the 8th. Fundamental analysis workshop. It includes a week in the trading room, and I think you're going to really gain a lot of great information to help you get in the trades and stay in the trades when you should be in them. We'll see you then.